Good day everyone. Today we will show you how to create train body with my GoPro. Now let's begin. Click this create and document and rename it train body and click create. And now before we start, let's check this workspace unit inches. So click check. And now let's begin. So I will click this sketch and this front. You can hide this top and right and view the front view. And now I will create a circle tool. So I will click this center point circle with a radius of 1.5 and skip circle. And now I will create a rectangle using this corner rectangle with the width of 2 inches and height of 0.88. If you can see, it's still not aligned yet. It's still blue, so meaning it is not aligned yet. So I will click this dimension. I click this button and this center with the 1.38 inches. Skip dimensions. If you can see, it's still not aligned yet, the left and right. So I will use this dimension. I click this left and this center and 1 inches. Once you're done, click check. Now view the isometric. Now I will extrude this object. So I will click this extrude. I will click this shape, this and this with the depth of 5.5. And once you're done, click check. And now let's begin to the second sketch. So I will sketch in front back. So I will rotate this and click the back view. And now I will sketch this object. Now I will create a point from the center and hit. Then dimension, I will use this dimension. I click this button and this with inches of 0.375 inches. And now I will click this one, this with the inch of 1 inches. And now skip the dimension. And now I will create a center point circle from here with the radius of 4.7. And now I will skip this circle and I will use the line. I click this line and click this up straight and click this and skip line and all, and I will use the line again. So I will click this one straight up and skip line. Now I will cut this excess. So I will use the trim and I will click this one and skip trim. And now once you're done, click check. So view the isometric. And now I will extrude this object. So I will click this extrude and I will click this one and I will use the opposite direction and the depth is 1.75. Once you're done, click check. So sketch 1 and sketch 2 is done.
Hello everyone. Let's process in sketch 3 and 4. It's a new sketch on the side. I'm going to put a circle. One inch. And so I click my dimension. Bottom to the center 1.75. Center of the circle is 0.25. 25, so back to back. Center. And back. So I'm just going to click of mine from this top quadrant straight back. Line from the bottom quadrant straight back. Use my trim and trim out in remaining portion spinach sketch again from the isometric. Trim and isometric. And done. Now extrude. Remove. Throw all and done. Next, sketch 4. New sketch on the side. Circle it, just place one up 0.5. 0.25. Sorry. And center of the circle in 1 inch. Okay. Inch. Center of the front circle 0.5 back to center. Center. Ay bottom center. Oh, mali. Bottom center. Bottom center. is 4.5. I click my dimension, bottom data center 0.5. And finish sketch. Isometric. Next, extrude. Remove through all. Extrude both of these holes and remove in through all. And sketch 3 and 4 done.
First, click the back view. Select Sketch. Use center circle and align with the center point. Use dimension and click the circle and set the radius in 0.25. Use dimension from the center to bottom and set as 0.375. After that, click check and now sketch 5 is done. Click extrude and select the circle of the sketch 5. Click remove in the depth of 0.5 and click check. Right click and click isometric. Select front view. Select sketch to have a new sketch. Use center circle and create a trace circle. Click dimension and click the circle and set the radius in 0.125 degree. Select the dimension, click the middle circle and the bottom and set into 0.625. Click the right circle and the bottom and set as 0.125, same as the left. Click dimension and click the circle and the side and set as 0.375, same as at the right circle. Select check if you done. Right click and select isometric. Click Extrude and select the 3 circle and click Remove with the depth of 0.125.
Hello, Sir EJ Carpio. This is the last part of how to make mini train. First you need to do is click the isometric view, then click the plane and tap the center point. And grab this edge in the left or right. It doesn't matter which edge you tap as long as there is a horizontal plane. And then check and add new sketch in horizontal plane. Then create a circle in the middle of the sketch and put 0.5. And the distance of the edge and center is 0.88. And extrude the circle in 0.25. And the last part is round all the edges except the drill holes and round them to 0.1, and this is how you need to do. Use fillet, then the radius is 0.1. Then click all the edges, not the drill holes. And then hide all the origin and the plane. And this is how to make mini train. That's all. Thank you.